Hello friends, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can open Incognito tab in Google Chrome. So it's very easy, and the usage of Incognito tab is that your history won't get saved. And if you are on a public platform, your passwords also won't get saved there, as well as the autofill text for your debit card, credit card, or your forms, address won't get saved in Incognito tab. So let's see how we can open it. At first, you can see we just opened Google Chrome. So this is your normal Google Chrome browser tab. Here, click on the three dots. Here you can see customize and control Google Chrome. After clicking, now you can see click on new incognito window. You can also open it using Control Shift plus N. Control plus Shift plus N keyboard keys. Click on it. On clicking, now you can see you are into incognito tab. Click on it. You can see you are under incognito tab. You can now browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. So it's very good if you are going to a cyber cafe or your friend's house and opening your Gmail ID, just use incognito tab. Other features include it won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, and information entered in forms, which I just told that the autofill forms won't get saved. So guys, simply you can go here and search whatever you want and nobody would be knowing about it. No debit card, credit card information, nothing will get saved here, no password will get saved here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily open incognito tab. We also saw the uses of incognito, and on a public platform make it a habit to use only the incognito tab. Thank you for watching the video.